Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, if you're new, my name is Brenda. So today's video is a tutorial on this eye look. Well, it's a whole face tutorial as well, but I just wanted to make this eye look for people that don't feel that comfortable with having a intense colorful eyeshadow. This is more sultry yet a pop of color for you guys. So if you guys are interested in how to get this look, keep on watching. Alright guys, so I have already prepped and primed my face. I did go ahead and use the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur. And I used the No Pore Blemo Primer by Touch in Sol. And then I did a combination also of the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I have my eyebrows done and I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil, eyebrow pencil in the color dark brown. Okay, and then I went ahead and primed my eyelids with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into the Violet Voss Pro Ride or Die eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna go into the shade Abigail, which is a nice nudie color. And I'm mostly placing the Abigail on my crease. I'm not really taking it much anywhere, and just sweeping motions. Then I'm just bringing Abigail a little bit right here, as you guys can see, to make it more my eye shape into circular versus a cat eye. I am going into the Juvia's Zulu palette and I'm taking this brown shade right here and I'm just concentrating that color in my crease as well. So that brown shade on the Zulu palette, I'm just going to be dragging it in a bit. You guys will see what I mean right now. So right now, as you guys can see, I'm just blending the two colors together. So I'm going to go into the MAC Paint Pot and I'm going to do a slight cut crease. So I am going into the Burger palette by Glam Light. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the color Sweet Potato Fries, which is this nice orangey color. And I'm just gonna apply it more towards like the center. So I'm just using packing motions to really pack on that color to build the intensity. And then I'm also gonna go into the Zulu palette and mix a little bit of that orange in there. And then I'm going in with mustard and I'm gonna put that on the inner part. And then I'm gonna go again into the Zulu palette and take that yellow from there and pack it on top of mustard. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and move on to the next eye. So the foundation I'll be wearing today is the Forever Skin Glow by Dior and I am in the shade 3W0. So I just go ahead and shake it to make sure all of the components are well mixed. And then I'm just taking the e.l.f. sponge and I'm gonna go ahead and pat it in. I'm going in with the Jeffree Star concealer in C15. So I'm going in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder and I'm just gonna go ahead and bake really quick my under eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead in with the Hoola by Benefit and I'm gonna start contouring. I'm taking the Luxie 512 small contouring brush. I am going in circular motions for the contour. I'm gonna take my dark Chocolate Soleil by Too Faced and I'm gonna start bronzing my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the Luxie 182 by Jade, and I'm gonna contour my nose. So I am gonna go ahead and dust off the powder. I'm gonna take a Luxie 520 tapered brush. I'm just dusting away the translucent powder. I'm gonna go with a wet beauty blender, and I'm gonna pat in the excess powder. I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Party Amazonian Clay blush, and it's a matte brush, but I will be mixing it with the Laura Geller Tropic Hue. So I'm gonna go in again with mustard and bring it down just a little bit more right here. I'm going into the Zulu palette, and then I'm taking that brown shade again and smoking out my bottom lash. So I'll go ahead off camera and put my lashes on. Okay guys, so off camera I added the Lily lashes in Mykonos. So this is how they look like. And then I went ahead and tight lined my upper waterline, and I did my bottom waterline with the Urban Decay in the color Whiskey, just so I can go ahead and smoke it but make it still look very soft and sultry versus like smoky if I were to add a black. And then I added mascara. I did a combination of the Roller Lash and of the Better Than Sex mascara. It's time for highlight, and I will be mixing So Hollywood by Anastasia of Beverly Hills and Glazed Donut. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my MAC strip down pencil and line my lips. I'm gonna take the Anastasia of Beverly Hills in the shade Terra. It's a lip gloss, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into the Burger palette again, and just to intensify my inner corners, I'm gonna go in with the shade Cheddar. Oh yeah, that really did it. Alright guys, so that is the end of this tutorial. So this is more of a wearable summer look. You have a little bit of color going on. It's very intense in my inner corner, as you guys can see. It is very glowy. Your skin will be very glowy. But I feel like this is a look that if you're afraid to full on just use like a bunch of colors, I feel like this is a good alternative because you have that nice brown in the crease, and then the color is more in the inner corner. So this is for some of you that want a more of a not natural but subtle yet pop of color makeup look. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and as always, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. I'd like to hear about you or something that you thought was interesting about this video, or products that you guys recommend. And as always, follow me on Instagram, and have a wonderful day. Bye! It's not for me to say you love